Welcome to Best Choice. The best jewelry brush is probably one of the most underrated tools in your jewelry care arsenal. Whether it's a dazzling diamond ring, a delicate necklace, or a vintage bracelet, keeping your jewelry clean is essential to maintain its brilliance and longevity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of jewelry brushes, exploring their different types, uses, and how they can help you keep your precious pieces looking their absolute best. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Diamond Dazzle Stik Jewelry Cleaner. Is your jewelry losing its sparkle? This amazing product is here to help. It's designed to quickly and easily restore the brilliance of your diamonds and precious stones. Meet the CONNOISSEURS Diamond Dazzle Stik. This portable cleaner is perfect for rings and other jewelry. It's a convenient way to keep your valuables looking their best. The Diamond Dazzle Stik is incredibly easy to use. Simply twist, brush, and rinse. It's small enough to take with you, so you can keep your jewelry sparkling wherever you go. This product is specially formulated to bring out the sparkle in your diamonds and precious stones. It gently removes dirt, oil, and grime, leaving your jewelry looking like new. You will be amazed by the results. Don't let your jewelry lose its shine. Get the CONNOISSEURS Diamond Dazzle Stik today and experience the difference. It's the perfect solution for keeping your diamonds dazzling. What we like. This stick is designed for on-the-go cleaning. It's perfect for quickly refreshing your diamonds. If you're always on the move and want a sparkling diamond, you should consider this. What people say. It's portable enough to keep in my purse or jewelry box, so I can quickly touch up my rings before a dinner or work meeting. The tip feels precise, allowing me to get into the small crevices around prongs where dirt and oils tend to build up. After just a few swipes, my rings looked noticeably brighter and sparkled like the day I bought them. Number 4. USA Jewelry Cleaning Kit. Tired of dull jewelry? This complete cleaning kit is your solution. It's designed to bring the sparkle back to your gold, silver, diamond rings, and earrings. This kit includes everything you need for a thorough clean. It comes with a brush and polishing cloth, making it easy to remove dirt and grime. Whether it's fine or fashion jewelry, this cleaner is safe and effective. It gently cleans without damaging your precious pieces, leaving them looking their best. Quality you can trust. This kit is proudly made in the USA. You can be confident in its effectiveness and the care it provides for your jewelry. Revive your jewelry collection with this easy-to-use kit. It's the perfect way to keep your favorite pieces looking stunning, day after day. Get yours now. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive cleaning solution. It includes everything you need to clean various jewelry types. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Product worked as expected. It says to leave jewelry submerged for 2 minutes. I left mine for about an hour. Easy to use. Comes with a brush and 2 different cleaning cloths. I like that it doesn't have much of a smell and definitely left my jewelry sparkling. I used it on white gold and diamond jewelry. I would recommend it. It cleaned my jewelry good after letting it soak for about 8 minutes. It gave my gold chain and cross a little shine, nothing to really brag about. As long as it gets the dirt and grime off, I'm okay with it. Number 3. Horsehair Silver Brush Set for Detail Polish. This set is perfect for intricate work. It includes 2 silver cleaning brushes designed for detail polishing. They are ideal for reaching those hard-to-clean areas. Keep your silverware looking its best with this set. The brushes are specifically designed for fine and heirloom silverware. It will help you maintain the beauty of your collection. This set is also great for plateware. The soft horsehair bristles gently remove tarnish and grime. It helps restore the shine to your plates. Use this set to clean your jewelry. The brushes are gentle enough for delicate pieces. It will help you keep your jewelry sparkling. This brush set is also suitable for leather. The horsehair brush is great for cleaning and conditioning leather goods. It helps maintain the quality of your leather items. What we like. These brushes are specifically designed for delicate items. They are perfect for cleaning fine silver and heirloom pieces. If you like to take care of your precious silver items, you should consider this. What people say. The brush is very soft and gentle, which is perfect for cleaning delicate jewelry. It's great for getting into all the little nooks and crannies. The brush is easy to use and effective at removing dirt and grime. Number 2. Simple Shine Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Tired of dull jewelry? This is the Simple Shine Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It's designed to make your jewelry sparkle and shine like new. Using advanced ultrasonic technology, this cleaner gently removes dirt and grime. It gets into every nook and cranny, leaving your item spotless. Get professional cleaning results without the professional price tag. This machine is easy to use and delivers amazing results in minutes. The Simple Shine comes with a special cleaning solution. This solution is formulated to enhance the cleaning process and protect your jewelry. Simple Shine is the best choice for keeping your jewelry looking its best. It's a simple, effective, and affordable way to maintain your precious items. What we like? This machine uses ultrasonic technology for deep cleaning. It provides professional-level cleaning at home. If you have jewelry with intricate designs, you should consider this. What people say. When this machine came, she basically took everything she owned and dumped it into the basket and ran one 10-minute cycle and started beaming because she said it all came out sparkling. The machine is super easy to use. The machine does a good job once you figure out which cleaning solution works for your needs. Number 1. Fiberglass Scratch Brush Pen, 3-pack. Introducing the Fiberglass Scratch Brush Pen. This handy tool is perfect for detailed cleaning tasks. It's designed to get into tight spaces and remove unwanted materials. This brush pen is great for jewelry, watches, and coins. It's also ideal for electronic applications. Use it to remove rust and corrosion. The product measures 4.5 by 0.4 by 0.3 inches. The brush itself is 1.7 inches long. This compact size makes it easy to handle and control. Each package includes 3 brush pens. This ensures you have plenty on hand for various projects. They are ready to tackle any cleaning challenge. This tool is perfect for removing rust and corrosion. It is also great for cleaning jewelry, watches, and coins. Get yours today. What we like? This brush is ideal for removing rust and corrosion. It is perfect for cleaning watches, coins, and electronics. If you have items with stubborn stains, you should consider this. What people say. The glass fiber brushes are a useful tool to remove rust or other oxide layers from metals, clean up contacts, prepare metal or plastic surfaces for glue or epoxy application. He used one on a dirty coin and it really did a great job. They work amazingly well. Wish I knew about these years ago. Work as described. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.